Hello guys, so in this video I will show you how can you change the language of your YouTube profile and the location of your YouTube account. This can be important regarding the content that you see because YouTube follows the location that your account is set to, and then your recommendations are related to your own country. As you can see, my profile here is in Hungarian. All the menu points are in Hungarian, and if I start searching the YouTube, then all the recommended videos will be mainly from Hungary. So if you want to change this, you can click on your profile picture here, your little icon, and then you will find here the language settings, and you just go here. I will set it on English US. That's right, and from now on all the settings, everything will show in English. And also the location of your profile is located here. The location is located here. Here it says France because I'm actually right now in France, but you can choose any country as you wish. For example, Qatar. That's it. I hope this video was helpful. Subscribe for more. As you can see, I have no subscribers. This is my first day on YouTube. Fun fact. And yeah, for more YouTube tips, you can check out my YouTube playlist, YouTube tip playlist, and that's it. Let me know in the comments your opinion. See you soon.